Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Be nice to have a look at the Biasi. The customer was saying they got no heating or hot water and come down quickly as you can please. We need this sorted as an emergency. So anyway, I came down. This was one of the hardest jobs I've done. Keep watching and enjoy it, and hopefully I'll show you how I've repaired it. Okay, do me a favor, try your tap out now. And that's basically it. It fired up. All I had to do is switch the boiler on. And now I think this is probably the easiest job I've ever done. Now what do you guys think? Do you think I should charge her? Give her a discount? Give me a feedback in the comment box. Bear in mind I did have to drive about 5 miles. Okay now. Off. Now just to make sure I am testing an central heating too, last thing I want to do is leave the house, come back after about half an hour. The customer's phoning me and saying the hot water's working but the heating isn't. Guys, just repaired this boiler. Guess what? There's nothing wrong with it. All I had to do is switch it on. So if your boiler's broken down, give me a call. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.